sketch based feature stiffener. Let's see in this session how to create stiffener. To create a stiffener, we should have a structure which should be already existing. Let's draw a simple structure. Select the sketch support. Let's draw a simple L profile. Now exit the sketch. Use the pad option, and it gives a warning. Since it is an open profile, we have to use thick option. Let's give 10 mm, and we have some warning. Let's ignore this message. Click OK. For this structure, we want to create a stiffener. Let's increase the width of this feature. Let's change, or let's go with mirror extend. We'll get more material. Now we want to create a stiffener to join these two faces. Let's see what are the options available in the stiffener. So we have two options. One is from side and from top. Let's see what is from side. For this example, we have to use from side. Let's see how to use that and why we should do. Let's see from side and why we have to use from side for this example. Cancel this and let me draw a simple line. Select the sketch support, ZY plane. Now we want to connect these two faces. Then we have to draw a line. So now this stiffener will help both the faces. Exit, and now we'll use stiffener and select the profile. Let's select from the part body. So we can see the material is added sideways from the profile what we have created, and we can increase the thickness based on our need. So we can vary the thickness of it, but in this case from top will not be applicable. With this structure we cannot use from top. For from top we should have a different input. We'll see another example how to use from top. Click OK. Now let's see how to use stiffener from top. We have already a feature and sketches available, and let's select stiffener. Stiffener is inside the solid combine. Just we can expand this, pull down this menu, we'll get stiffener out of it, and select stiffener and stiffener definition, choose from top. Let's change the value and select the section, and we can see the result. The material added from the top to the bottom of the feature, and it's extended the edges to the existing wall. Let's preview and click OK. This is all about creating stiffener by using from top and from side. I hope this session gives you clarity how to use the stiffener in CATIA V5. Thank you.